big orange ferry boat on your left side. It's the famous Staten Island ferry. That's a 25-minute ferry ride. It goes back and forth all day long. Manhattan, Staten Island. They can carry a lot of people. Hey, this boat we run today, we got about, let's say, 200 million. Up, we can carry 600. The Staten Island ferries carry anywhere between 3,000 to 5,000. And also, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to get back to Manhattan. But if I can get you guys over to the right side, back to Brooklyn. Tom Cruise did a remake of
Then there's also the
more of us. And that movie is good.
Yes.
If you want to do a sightseeing tour, you know, not a bad deal. $200 for a 10-minute ride. Let's go towards. Hey, there was a series on HBO wrapped up a couple years ago. It's called Succession. The Roy family bounced from one exotic location to the next by way of helicopter. That's where they shot down. Watch a movie under the stars. ESPN, they broadcast at a Pier 17. Have been for a number of years. But I know we are moving right along. This is the big this is the big open up an originally from Johnson. This is I'll see you at the Statute.
Hey, we got a man. No, that's the Manhattan Bridge.
Take a video.
So where are these street power plants? That's 14th Street. No. One over the head, they said 59th Street and Koch. These power bridge is further up the river.
Other half of this building.
this is looking at Brooklyn.
She was a gift from France. Designed by a sculptor, Frederick August. And you know the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France.
Okay, so we're in a very special place on a wonderful autumn day celebrating the Stuyvesant High School class of 1975 50th reunion. We're in the harbor. We're in the southernmost part of Manhattan, and off to my left, to the east, is the East River and Brooklyn, and right here is where the Staten Island ferries. This is all the financial district and southern Manhattan. This is the Hudson River, which is coming into an estuary. It's coming all the way down the Hudson River under the Tappan Zee and all of the upstate New York bridges, and coming down here, and it's going behind us to the south where it meets the ocean, and we can, in the distance, if you turn around, you can see the Verrazano Narrows Bridge.